So hello guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are doing great. So once you have created a web app, you need to make it accessible to the people on the internet, and today we'll be discussing about the GitHub pages, which allows you to share the static web content to the people on the internet. And so if you like tech related stuff, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and let's get started. So as you can see on the screen now, I have opened the website for GitHub, and the link is github.com, and you have to create your account here. Or if you have an account, you can just click on the sign in button, and you can sign in your account onto this website. Since I have created already account on the GitHub, so I'll sign in. As you can see guys, I have already created 2 repositories, but I'll show you from the scratch that how you can create a new repository and upload your website or host your static website. First you need to click on this button next to the repository to create a new repository on the GitHub, and here you need to give the name of your repository. Let me give it as test, and you can choose any option, public or private, and then just scroll down and you can give any name for the repository and just click the create repository button below, and it will create a new repository for you. And here you need to click on the create a new file, and here you need to copy all your HTML, CSS and JavaScript files and upload it individually. So first let me name the file as index.html. So here now I have named the file. I just need to copy my HTML code and commit the new file. Let me copy my code, and this is the HTML code. I'll copy it all and I'll paste it in the new index.html here. As you can see, I have copied the full code of the HTML and pasted here, and scroll down below and commit the new file. And now you can see it has saved the file as index.html, and we need to add more 2 files, which is JavaScript and CSS file. So I'll click on add new file, create new file, and I'll name the file as style.css. So guys, I have named the file. Now I need to copy the code of CSS and paste it here. So this is my CSS code, and I'll just copy it all and I'll paste it here in the empty space given here. And now as you can see, I've copied the full CSS code here, and I'll just commit this file and save it. And now as you can see, there's index.html and style.css, and we need to add one more file, which is JavaScript. And again I'll click on add file, create new file, and again I'll name this as script.js. I'll copy the JavaScript code and paste it there. And now as you can see, I've copied the JavaScript code and pasted here, and I'll click on the commit new file. And now we have created all 3 files which are required for a static website: index.html, script.js, style.css. And now I'll go to the settings page here, and I'll go to the option for pages to enable the permission to access it through the link. And here I'll select the source as main, and I'll click on the root as root and save it. And now you can see your site is ready to be published at this link. I have got the link for my repository, and if I click on the link, it might take some time guys, because we have just now created the file. Give at least 5 to 10 minutes, and you will be able to access the website from this link, and you'll be able to share this website. And now guys, as you can see, the link is ready. We have got the green tick mark. Let us open it now. And now as you can see guys, we are able to access our project, and it's completely working, and we can see all the elements of our project. And moving back, now you can just copy this link and share to anyone, whoever needs to access this website easily. Or let us check once again. So I've copied the link and pasted in a new tab, and as you can see, you are able to access the project again from here. And this is the advantage of the GitHub or the GitHub pages, guys. And now you are done, guys. Now you can share the link to anyone and they should be able to interact with the website you have created. That's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and please comment the suggestions down below, and make sure to hit that subscribe button, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.